Welcome to Ajayastro Money Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. In today's video, we'll dive into the recent movements in London aluminium prices, which have been on an upward trend, setting the stage for the biggest weekly gain since mid-April. As of Friday, London aluminium prices edged up by 0.2%, bringing the 3-month contract on the London Metal Exchange (LME) to $2,484.50 per metric ton. This increase comes as no surprise given the ongoing tight supply of key raw materials like alumina and bauxite. The strong demand for these materials has played a crucial role in pushing aluminium prices higher this week. The LME aluminium has gained 5% over the week, marking its most substantial performance since mid-April. On Thursday, prices even touched a more than 6-week high of $2,531 per ton, reflecting the market's bullish sentiment. Adding to the upward momentum, the discount between LME cash aluminium and the 3-month contract has narrowed significantly to $17.08 per ton, the smallest margin since May. This reduction signals a tightening supply in the near term, further supporting the price gains. LME aluminium inventories have also been a key factor, with stocks dropping by 22% over the past 3 months to 877,950 tons, the lowest level since early May. This depletion in inventories underscores the supply challenges currently facing the market. On the macroeconomic front, expectations of a potential US interest rate cut next month have also provided support to aluminium prices. Several US Federal Reserve policymakers expressed their backing for rate cuts, with Fed Chair Jerome Powell expected to provide more insights later today. A rate cut could weaken the US dollar, making dollar-denominated metals like aluminium more attractive to international buyers, thereby boosting demand. In other metals, the market also saw some notable movements. Copper rose by 0.3% to $9,155.50 per ton. Nickel was up by 0.3% to $16,645. Zinc advanced 0.5% to $2,871.50. Lead increased by 0.9% to $2,071.50. And tin climbed 0.6% to $32,520. Meanwhile, on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, we saw mixed results, with copper easing by 0.7% and nickel dropping by 0.8%, while zinc and tin managed to post gains. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Money Guru for more in-depth analysis and updates on the commodities markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights.